Hello, hello. Yeah, let's wait for some people to join. Yes, yes. Mm, just updated my Instagram. Mhm. You- YouTube, YouTube. YouTube से link हटा के live stream का. A lot of people are doing live stream today. Three watching already. Nice. Okay, link posted on Instagram. Sir, hello. Hello, 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 guys. Hello, welcome everyone to the stream. And yeah, let's start. What we what we got today? Yep, yep. So coming to the indices, let me go to ES first. Okay, coming to the daily. Yesterday we reversed it from this swing point here in ES, and we closed pretty much like very well here. If you see, we got a closure above, like above previous candle body, and we still do have these highs to be taken out. So the question here is whether we set low or high of the day. So that's question we are having right now. And yeah, we the low of the days haven't yet set according to me. So we have a gap here in Bora. And where is our daily open? So am I audible, guys? Yeah, I think I should be audible. Yeah. Let me just let me just go through the analysis first, and then I'll answer you guys about any kind of questions. So basically, I'm from India, bro. I come from India. So this is our sorry, our daily open thing. Is do we have any news, guys, today? I'll check it after the let's see. Yeah, yeah, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. open, and we are just trading around opening price, and YM is like very bullish. But let's concentrate on here what we got. So if you see, we have this yesterday's candle close, and we closed above that candle. That's a good sign for to look longs here. And if I get any kind of crack and correlation on this candle, any kind of PSP or anything, so I might consider that we set a low of the day and then we look for the higher prices. So we still do have time. We'll just wait and watch. Oh, oh, what is this? Like market open? Yeah. So market just open, drop down, we cleared this low, and YM and NQ are totally decoupled. Uh, YM and NQ are totally decoupled here. So yeah, we might get a good confirmation to set a low of the day, and then we can push higher. I'm expecting late protraction today, so we are setting lower half the day very late. So That's it. That's it for ES here. As you guys can see, 4 hour tapped into this gap, 4 hour tapped into this gap, and if I get any kind of second correlation at this point, forming a swing point, and then you know look for these highs for today. So that's what I'm expecting in ES. And what's going on with NQ? Oh, NQ look bit bigger than ES. Actually, we haven't yet got. We didn't get a closure about this candle. This is a bit tricky here. So guys can see we haven't got a closure about this candle, and we are still inside this FPG here, inside this gap, inside this gap. And if we have any kind of crack in correlation with the highs, again, that might be a high of today's set there, and we can look for bearish price action. But overall, if you see, we are actually in a range here when it comes to indices. Let me check MES. What's going on there? That's a bit confusing. We we might range today because confusion here. But if you see this C2 closure, and today we might get C3 towards a bullish side. This is a good sign here in ES. But what about NQ? I think I am gonna stay like bullish because we still do have draw in YM left, and in like ES looks good C2 closure here, and we have draw here as well. But let's see, let's wait for 10 a.m. open. Then we can see what we got. But for me, NQ, I don't know. Like it's a bit confusing. I want to see this gap to hold the price. Okay, this gap to hold, and then any kind of one stage for these highs. I just need one stage here because even one stage works here because we already had this reversal from this swing point yesterday, and we are continuing. We got this AIST, and I just look for one stage while continuation. So even if I have a one stage, that works actually. Let's wait and see what we got here. And in gold, let me just focus because it might distract. Gold, as yesterday, it was a not good day for me in gold. As you guys can see, we are still slowly, pumping higher and recovering here, but we are into this daily FEG. We are into this daily FEG in gold and silver as well. Uh, I only look for these two assets for any crack and correlation. But if this holds, we might trade till this low or next day actually. But today trading gold is kind of tricky for me because no any confirmation whether it will hold, whether this gap will hold or not. But high chances that after this good displacement, this candle might hold. The only way to engage in this gold is to wait for a crack and correlation in 4 hour and then anticipate lower prices. So that might help us. Other than that, touching gold is not a good asset to trade for me. Coming to the oil and RP, uh, let's go through the HO first and then we can see this here. Really, to highs up here. Hmm. Maybe from here might be, oh, might be better low of the day maybe. Yeah, not yet, not yet. Can't say anything. Have this, but low not yet clear. Kind of so confusion here. One this low has been taken, but we manipulated this low, but in both assets we don't have any tracking correlation to consider it as a low of the day. I need list that. And we also have this gap up here. Have this gap of this method and then push lower, but to stay patient here. But if I get any chance to punch about bullish trade, I'm open for oil right now, keeping my own eye on indices. So yeah, we might get this PSP here. Let's see. Let's wait for another 10 minutes, guys. Now you guys can ask any kind of questions. Bro, in my channel, there is no one more scheduled lecture. Yeah, bro. I just let me just delete it. Let me just delete it. I don't know why it's happening. I think shall I do it wrong maybe or a glitch. It might be the glitch. Let me just delete. Here are a lot of schedule, lot of scheduled lives. Yeah, I'm trading paper today. Are we live? Okay. Yes, sir. I'm trading paper today as well. I'll trade paper for another 3 to 4 days maybe, and then I'll stick for a now evals or anything. Let's wait, guys. Ask any questions if you guys have. And yeah, see to close the environment, then we can just target these highs very easily. Just need to wait. Need to wait. What are you looking to trade today? Indices much cleaner indices. Gold, we still got a confusion because we are into this daily gap here, and oil probably staying bullish today. I get a good track and correlation, then that would be so good to me to you know anticipate higher prices. But need to wait and watch what we got. Make sure to like stream, guys. Make sure to like stream. I'll be looking for track and correlation here and then push it higher. Like take a look for the higher prices. But let's wait if we can get that. Come back, tap into this gap here in YM and not yet. Yeah, let's like tap here in Q, sorry. And we are just far away from this gap in YM. So that might be the one stage there and closing this bullish, we can consider it as a two stage and look for a trade there towards bullish side. What's going on in yes? Let's keep YM for bit side. Look for yes. Yes, very clean for bullish. Not gonna lie. Yes, very clean for bullish. Yeah. For entering a trade, make sure that you're trading in a time window of 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to that, like exact 10 a.m. 4-hour candle. So 10, 11, 12, and 1. Make sure it should be in this. And it would be so good if you are getting trade before 11, 11:30, 12 maybe because of lunch hours. So that would be so nice. That's what I for. Yeah, thank you. A lot of people are coming, joining live streams daily. So make sure to like the live stream, guys. That will help channel to grow, and it will like extra live streams will reach out to a lot of guys, and a lot of people can join, and we can trade together here. Live. Give me a second, guys. I'm doing something. I think I'll be back. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. And um, we have PSP but no SMT. Then can we tell this is a one stage? Yeah, yeah. If you have a PSP, that's a one stage. If you have a PSP as well as SMT with that like candle or anywhere around, you can consider it as a two stage. Now we are here. 10 a.m. open. Like we'll wait for set a low of the day. 10 a.m. open. We'll wait to set a low of the day for 10 a.m. and then can trade. We got here. Nothing much. NQ, NQ. NQ is like way more like pushing lower here. And, we might say that this. We might have this. Yes, the. But sorry, we might have this SMT here up here because this cap is still holding. And here. Let's see how this holds. Like let's wait for another 15 minutes to get a clean context and trade. We might also flip it down to the bearish shape, but let's wait as YM is totally decoupled. So I think we are gonna wait. And we have this. Hmm, Something interesting here going on. Manipulated these lows and reason. But still, like if this is a low of the day, and then we can trade these higher here in both the oil. I think there's maybe something where I can trade the 3 minute profile, like 30 to 3 minutes. Uh, yeah, we might get this PSP. Two stage like we took this low and we took this low, and if this closes the same way, we might get this PSP, and then we can trade higher from here. 1 hour, but the thing is, we have to wait like entirely 1 hour to confirm this, or else we need a 5 minute change instead of delivery to confirm that this Kraken correlation is playing out. You know, that's what we can look for here. But let's wait. Let me put a alarm here and wait for it. Yeah, wait for it to reach there, and then once we get notified, we can go and look for that. Hmm. Wait to set a low of the 10 a.m. in indices so that we can trade higher. Or I say we'll wait for a closing confirmation. Sorry, I didn't get it. You said you'd wait for a candle close to confirm. What do you need a confirmation on? Yeah, yeah, in 1 hour. So what I was telling is like we can do two things here. We can do two things here. Like to confirm this PSP, we need this closure. It might again like flip around and both the candles can also close bullish. So to confirm this PSP, confirm this two stage here, whatever going on here, two stage, we need a closure of this candle. Or else you can trade this candle only if we get this 5 minute CST here, so that it confirms this CST can confirm that Kraken the Kraken correlation, whatever happening in down here, it's playing out perfectly. So basically, you're engaging yourself in C2 candle if you're trading this after this change instead of delivery. So that's it, guys. Or else wait for this 1 hour closure and then get a good confirmation of two stage, and then get a like wait for this 1 hour closure, like it may be close around somewhere on here, and then get a good confirmation of this two stage, and then trade higher to these highs. So that's what you can do. That's a good thing to do, but again, the like time things come in. So if you are waiting for 1 hour, yeah, you're like already wasting a time of 10 a.m. So you might get stuck into a job after like in a lunch hour maybe. So and that might be the problem there. Yeah, just straight away fall in here. So I don't think so. It's good to touch these assets. We need a pullback so that we can engage here in a gold 10 a.m. open. Let's look for the CIST at least. Let's see. Any questions, guys? Like, okay, thank you for explanation. Yeah, no worries. If you guys have any kind of questions, then you guys can ask it here now because I'm like we're done with analysis and yeah, just waiting. That's what we can do. Just wait, wait, and you know answer the questions if you guys have any. Answer the question if you guys have any related to concepts what I'm using here. You know, you know Hindi. Yeah, bro. आता है हिंदी मेरे को. I'm Indian, bro. Obviously, हिंदी आता ही है. हिंदी आता है, bro. Nothing. Just falling continuously here. Yeah, this looks good. If you guys see here, we're having this 5 minute two stage maybe like this, but we need more confirmation to share, consider a bullish. 5 minute is not a good time frame to consider cracking correlation, at least to me. So we're getting this. We get this CST here in 15 minute. Then we can consider that maybe we settle off the 10 a.m. around. Oh yeah, we have this stage. We have this one stage, and if we get this 5 minute, we already got the 5 minute part. I need 15 minute CST. We know how to more confluence there. पता है भाई हिंदी पता है अगर हिंदी में कुछ पूछना है you want me to explain anything in Hindi then I can do that on our PSP 5 minute 5 minute में है ये एक सेटअप ले सकते हो लाइक 5 minutes we have a chance to, trade the setup, but not yet, not a good confirmation. Let me just- Not a good confirmation for me because I need that 15 minutes. So, like, if we form this gap, we can check this, the gold. So, we can trade this trade, but not a real, like, a good confirmation for me to go longs here because I need a 15-minute CST. So no need to worry. We have a lot of room up there to trade. So I would just watch how it plays out, but not gonna take risk. My question is, what I see तो वैलिडेशन नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ। हाँ भाई होता है। तो मतलब डेली आके पंच करना पड़ेगा ट्रेड्स, यू विल सी द रिजल्ट्स। एक टाइम विंडो डिसाइड कर लो, वो टाइम विंडो पे ही ये करना, एग्जीक्यूट करना, को छोड़ के मतलब किसी भी दूसरे टाइम टाइम विंडो पे ट्रेड मत करना। दैट विल हेल्प यू बिकॉज सी टू जो फॉर्मेशन होता है वो मतलब कभी भी मिल सकता है आपको, लाइक एवरी डे एट एनी टाइम, लाइक लंदन में भी दिखेगा, एशियन में भी दिखेगा, कौन सा भी टाइम पे दिख सकता है। तो वो गलत ट्रेड्स लेने में मजबूर कर देता है एंड यू गाइस विल टेक दोस ट्रेड्स एंड गेट डिमोटिवेटेड। दिस वाज अ ट्रेड गाइस, actually a good trade, but I need a more confirmation, so I'm just staying away. I can take this if I get this change in state of delivery. I can take that, but let's wait and see if we can get that or not. But ये जो 5 मिनट का एंट्री था, this was like very good entry to trade. This was a very good entry. One stage down here, 5 minutes CIST. So this is what I was expecting in here, like in oil. So अभी देखो, look at this now. So we were in 1 hour, and this candle is not yet finished. So what thing will confirm you that this Kraken correlation is gonna play out? That is 5 minute CIST. So we already have that CIST here, but again we might mess it up because 4 hour is just opened and it might just chop around. So let's wait and see. Anything can happen. Maybe going break even at this highs if anyone taken this. Uh, the CIST looks good, but need that strong displacement above here so that we can trade the CIST. It's a this is a good trade to trade. But again, I was looking for more confirmation, so I need more confirmation to trade that. Indices just falling down. No Kraken correlation, no low of the day, so to anticipate bullish, but it might form the half day, maybe dropping around in daily time frame. So not a good sign to trade for me. Gold looks kind of clean. And here, this is what I was expecting here in oil. So now we need disclosure about this candle. It's two stage. But again, like in 5 minutes, so what do we what, I just stopped. You can get why. Uh, not sure. Not sure. previous candle not looking good for me. So it's not a big fan of this. How to have this setting in. It's happening in hold. Yeah, that is exactly up and down. So that's the reason I was waiting for the 15 minutes CST Java. मैं लिया नहीं वो वाला trade, but not a two stage here. Again, this was the reason I was telling you guys to wait for this candle to close. I mean wait for current 1 hour candle to close in oil because of these such things in the market. Got close here, we got close here in HO, but need more confirmation, guys. Yeah, welcome. I just saw a Discord. I was more active in Instagram. No, 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 no sell anywhere. Not yet started. Not positioned anywhere. Maybe actually. I need a Kraken correlation to play here. Might have this on stage, but we need the CIST at least to confirm that. We'll be waiting. What's why I'm doing here. Fixing point. We get this CS Kraken correlation. We might the bullish price action to this high, but we need to wait and watch what have we got there. It's chopping around, not gonna touch. Need more confirmation in gold, and we are somewhat aligning ourselves in oil. That's what I can see right now in oil. Mm, Another 5 minutes, but we have this 5 minutes changes of delivery coming in another 30, like another minute maybe. Yeah, that this could help us. This could help us, but we're gonna wait. And again, like if we get this, that will be so good. Or else we'll wait for a gold to lay out anything, lay out something here. Not yet confirmed. Oil looks kind of like good today, but need again like more confirmation to take bullish trades there. Not gonna take any low quality trades. Let's see. Let's wait. Let this candle guys. If it is like 10 on CST, then this low should stay protected. Like this low should stay protected. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful in why I'm here. Oh shit. Nice. We can have we can take this maybe 1:2. If we get this back, back in here, another 24 seconds. Let's see if we can get this back. Here, tap. Oh, we need that closure. Oh, we need that closure, guys. We need that closure. After closure, we are going to go with market execution. Come on, come on, come on. I took it late, maybe. This was a trade, actually. I took it late. So, this was a trade. I took it late. But make sure to, make sure you got your entry at this point here. I took a market execution because of internet, or maybe I got a late entry there. I bring it here. Can't bring that there, but can I average it? A bad feel, very bad feel. But if we got a good direction, we will like push higher. No, no. What gold and all doing? Hmm. Oil is looking good. This low should stay protected if we are holding this. I got very bad feel, guys. I am supposed to get it that here in this candle, but let's hope for good. And let's look for other asset if we get any good trades in here. Limit open or closure above here for this candle. Not a C2, I would say, but good closure. And let's wait to set the corridor low of that 15 minute, and then we still do have this CST to hold the price. So that's the confidence. But I got a bad feel, guys. That's the problem here again. I'm gonna take some break. See you guys. See you guys in a minute. See you guys. I'm back in a sec, guys. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Exactly. RCB 8419. You're right. That's what important. You need to know how to frame a day. See you guys. Give me some time. I'll be back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are back. So we are back. We might get this two stage now. Might get this two stage, and we can give another shot to it. I try this out once again. Need that information. Two stage here. Ah, not cool today. We have one loss in YM. So I don't know. Like first of all, I had a like very bad feel up there. So to stay here in 5 minutes, but I don't know whether I should press the 5 minute or not. This is not good for a gold here. I've been trading since like 3 plus years. 3 साल 3 से 4 साल हो गया. Or do you plan entry criteria video or video explaining a certain concepts? Yeah, I have plans, but I have a lot of works to, other than trading. So I have my job and all those things. So, it's hard for me to record, edit, and then post it. So definitely, but one day, like I'll take some time out in weekends and record video, or else I'll record the mentorship videos, whatever I teach to the people, and then I might post. I'm not sure, but let's see have, if we get time to record the video. But I have plans to do that, so do that as well. Just make sure to please subscribe to the channel to get the updates. We're now gonna take trade on 1 minute. What's happening in here? 15 minutes. We get this. Let's wait for some more context to build in. As for I'll be continuing watching videos and to try and actually get the entire entry criteria in place. So in the market, but content and it's good. Yeah, you have to punch trades, bro. Until unless you are coming daily and punching trades, you are unable to, take trades. You are unable to understand the how to enter, where to enter, how to manage risk and everything. It's happening in gold. We are having some in gold. I see the gold is in a daily time frame fair value gap, so that might cause stop there. If we get some kind of push higher, get some kind of push higher, leaving gap here, and then we can just stop and push there. Look at this empty here. And you turn out good bullish here. 30-minute closing C2, and that's a good sign. Need a gap here. Need a gap here so that we can punch instead. Let's wait for this gap. What do we have in gold? Oh, we got a change in state of delivery. Sure. No, we don't have any gap there. Oh, nice. We have, this is looking good. This is looking good. Market execution. Here on oil, things stops below this low. This should be the entry, but think, I think I'm rushing out, guys. Maybe it's, gold is looking good. Let's wait. We need a gap. We found chopping around here. Gold, we had a thing to trading gold, but the problem here is we are leaving these equal lows. Have this go closure here. Let's look at gold. What do we got? So gold is like playing out here very nicely. So the entry in gold will taken. This was the entry. But let's it down. Like if we get a gap up here, then we can look for closing Q2. I'm closing C2 here. Beautiful. And we might get this two stage. I'm expecting that to happen. How much time we have? So cool. Much time? Yeah, another 3 minutes. We have close the next this 30 minute candle. Close this 30-minute candle. Read it or no? Right there. Cool. No, we need at least like closure about this can be like 15-minute closure. Some more confirm it. Another 2 minutes. Yeah, that's the baby step. So that's good. Problem here is this. Equal those we are living below there. But let's see. Thank you. Club closure. Let's wait and see. It's totally flashing around. Not my day. Let's try last another one here, guys. This exactly. Hello, 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 Michi. Hello, Michi. Right, two. This was the golden tree supposed to be taken. Understood. Gold, we missed it in gold, guys. No, no, no. Actually, I have subscription for that. It's still working. Not a good transaction there. Very choppy. It's chopping around. No, I don't have a 70 indicator. I'm just marking it out manually. Happening. Yes. What a chop, guys. Not a best day, actually. Have this gap forming here, but not sure. Like, not a good trade to take because we already expanded and we might come back and rebalance this inversion if it's gonna get pulled back. Not a best trade to take. It's very low probable, risky. best thing in YM is we got this C2 here. We might might trade this PhD because we are just chopping around, guys. Absolutely bad day. Look at this one. Gold. Once I get this CST, I might try this gold like one last trade today. We are so bad. We are so bad. Oof. Chop, chop, chop. Just chop it around, guys. At least we need this closure. Or else a cap and then tap into that cap and on a limit. This is GC, guys. That's the reason. Another 30 seconds. Let me just put it here and once 30 second, gets over, I'll pull it up here and wait for retracement. It's I will get it. We have these highs. What? Come on, bro. Why did we? Why didn't we get that tap? Shit, bro. Didn't get the tap. I don't know. I had my limit order there, but give me a second, guys. I'll be it. Missed it. We didn't get a tap, guys. That was a very, very nice trade there, but unfortunately, we did get a tap on our positional tool, but look at this, even after digging in, I'm unable to enter. I don't know why that happened, but that was a good trade. Actually, very good trade. Here, this high as well. Not much happy about today's transaction. Yeah, but good. Nice trade. This one was the only trade, like gold was the only thing to trade today because NQ, ES, and indices were chopped around, and even this is just chopping around here. Very horrible transaction. So those losses were obvious to take. We had this setup in a gold, but okay, guys. This was the only setup that would have played out today, and other than this, everything is just chopping around. Okay, so do make sure to like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing live here daily. So yeah, we missed this. So let me just yeah, I will be trading my evals on another 2 to 3 days. In another 2 to 3 days, and other than that, I'll be just trading with the paper and explaining about the setups here daily. Uh, I'm sure you'll get to learn a lot of things here. So make sure to attend the live and see you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Take care.